My name is Malone from Kansas City, Missouri. I have a pool and outdoor living company, Beyond Blue Outdoor Group. The Suncoast products have given us exposure to higher-end clients. It's a luxury item. It's an added piece of revenue, and it's a higher ticket item with higher margins. So it's something good for us to pair up with pools, and it's kind of the same clientele is looking for the same product. Suncoast has been great through the process, like teaching me about retractable screens, teaching our company, our guys. The support's been amazing as far as from installation to marketing to sales. They've been along with us kind of every step of the way, kind of showing us how they've done things they've learned over time, and kind of giving us the blueprint to follow since the beginning. So they've been awesome to deal with and work with, from their manufacturing to the support to everybody at the company. It's been a good experience. The training with Suncoast has been really good. They're more than willing to fly, help in, tap into different resources with special projects, things that are difficult. Any support, they're a phone call away. So the training with Suncoast has been amazing. Yeah, Jesse's the man. Jesse and everybody involved. If Jesse can't answer a question, he definitely gets it over. So the installation of it is unique. So it's something that getting with Jesse, or if he doesn't have the answers, definitely getting with somebody else. And just recently, they were willing to fly out a guy from another corporate office to help us with a difficult install, and anything that we need, they're more than willing to help out with. It's a good product, quality product, easy to sell when you stick to it. Just got to go through the learning curves and kind of stay after it. And once you stay after it, it kind of snowballs pretty quick. So definitely scalable. And once you get into it and learn about it, it's a lot easier to move forward with a lot of things in the outdoor living field. Our market has received the product very well. It was a newer product I'm from the local Kansas City, so there wasn't many people. There's dealers in there that have been doing it a long time, but not many doing it. There's a lot more competition now, so if you're in a local area, probably the faster you get started and kind of get your name out there, probably the better, because it is a quality product. There's other competitors. Suncoast is top of the line, so it's better to get your name out there and start doing it now than to wait. I think the marketing program's definitely benefited knowing, Suncoast has had a track record of knowing how to do things such as Google ads, higher end social media and things like that, video support as far as marketing goes. So I don't think we'd definitely be able to get as far as we have without Suncoast marketing and their assistance with it. So they kind of have a track record of knowing what works, what doesn't, been through the road bumps, so it's definitely been a benefit having Suncoast take the lead on the marketing part.